Hi, Blake with BlvdHome, your friendly neighborhood appliance man. Today, we're going to talk about dishwashers and why does my dishwasher smell? I hear this complaint all the time. There are various reasons, and let's talk about all the reasons why your dishwasher smells. Well, the number one reason for you old people like me, all the dishwashers that I grew up with, they had a different type of latch system on the dishwashers. All the new type of dishwashers have what's called a push latch. Push it in, it clicks, you grab the door and you pull it open and it pulls open. So with your old dishwashers, you had a latch system. Basically, it was a handle that was underneath the door handle. You'd actually slide over and it would actually lock the door, so the dishwasher knew the door was closed. So when you press start, the dishwasher would start running. With that type of system, when the door was actually closed, there was always a little bit of air gap all the way around the dishwasher. So when you put the dishes in the dishwasher that had food on them and all this other stuff on them, which the manufacturer recommends you do put them in with food because it washes better. But as you know, when you put old food in the dishwasher, it smells. I mean, there's no denying it, it smells. Well, when you have that gap around the door, it's going to allow some airflow out of the dishwasher. So some of those odors don't sit there and trapped inside that dishwasher tank. So when you open up, it almost knocks you over sometimes. Now all the ones, when you close them, they actually close and you're sealing it up. Now all the odors are being trapped in that dishwasher. That is the biggest reason they smell. Now, if you have a plastic tanked dishwasher, that's even almost worse because that plastic will open up over time with it getting hot from the hot water, and the smells from the unit will actually get trapped in that plastic. So when you open up, even though the dishwasher is clean, it has an odor to it. That's because it's trapped in the plastic itself. And the only thing you can really do is to run a dishwasher cleaner through it to try to pull those odors out of the plastic and introduce a new smell into them, like a citric acid or something of that variety that has an orange or a lemon zest to it. So basically it goes in the plastic, so it helps the plastic smell nice again. Another reason that your dishwasher smell is if you have a big family, you're putting dishes in the dishwasher all the time and you're running your dishwasher daily or every other day, typically the food that's in there and on the plates and stuff is going to get washed off and it's going to go down the drain and into your sink and down in the pipes. And so it doesn't necessarily get that much of an odor. Well, if you have like my wife and myself, we're empty nesters now and we don't run our dishwasher that much. We maybe run it maybe once, maybe twice a week. I always put my dishes in there dirty because I knock off the big stuff and rinse off the tomato-based sauces, egg yolks and milk and put them in there dirty. But closing the door all the time because I'm only running it once or twice a week, even though there's not much stuff in there, it smells and there's nothing you can do about it. The only thing that I can do about it or anybody else could do about it would be to run the dishwasher more often or run a rinse only cycle if you have it on your dishwasher, just to give your dishes a good rinse, just to get rid of some of the food on there so it's not sitting in there inside your dishwasher. And so when you open it up again, it's going to knock you up back because you're like, woo, this smells, and your wife's going to be like, what's that smelling in the kitchen? It's the dishwasher. That's another big issue that can cause smells, is just non-use. The last reason that really they cause odors is down inside the pump area and down inside the sump area. There are screens. Now the manufacturers have, and they're using care manuals, they tell you that you should be taking your screens out, you should be cleaning them because that traps the food. You could be having trapped food and stuff down inside the screens and it's affecting the washability. So clean out the screens. And then also you do have bacteria and junk and muck that grows down inside the wash motor and in the wash system itself. So again, you need to be using a dishwasher cleaner for the same reason as it gets into the tank, is because it cleans out all the areas you can't see down inside the wash motor, down inside the pipes inside the dishwasher, and cleans it out. I recommend a good one such as Lemmy Shine. There are some ones out there that just don't work. You know, I'm not paid by Lemmy Shine, but you know, here's my endorsement. I really like their product. It's a great product. You can get it on Amazon, local grocery stores carry it, but it's fantastic and it'll do a great job cleaning out your dishwasher. So that is something that you really need to do to help your dishwasher smell nice. So when you open it up, it does smell nice. You're not having these odors all the time. Follow these suggestions and I can guarantee you your dishwasher will smell a lot better over time and every time you open it after that. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope this gave you some tips on what to check inside your dishwasher. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you again real soon. Well, thanks for watching, but wait, don't leave yet because we have lots of other videos. You should check them out on our channel because there's lots of great information that you will definitely find useful. If you have any questions about something, check them out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon.